The Force Improvement Artillery Simulator is a system composed of hardware and software elements that allow military personnel to perform simulations on artillery shooting techniques in accordance with military doctrine. Some of the benefits of the Artillery Simulator are: provides a safe environment and contributes to the reduction of occupational risks in training activities, reduces costs involved in traditional training methods. The simulator is easily transported to locations where training is required. Ability to plan missions with resources, predefined geographic and climatic conditions for each simulation. Allows familiarization and repetition of operating procedures with real artillery pieces. Provides a simple way to simulate failures and unforeseen events. The Artillery Simulator is built inside a 40 feet long container and positioned on top of a trailer that is equipped with all necessary connections to be attached to a truck for mobility. All electronic equipment, computer systems, and replicas are securely fixed and can be safely transported when the vehicle is in motion. The simulation is composed of 5 different components: instructor, forward observer, fire direction coordinator, pieces executive, and debriefing station. The 20,000 BTU air conditioning units control humidity, and internal temperature ranges between 10 degrees and 30 degrees Celsius. Gasoline-powered 8 kVA electric generators supply energy in case of electrical failures. The computer system is protected by a rack-mounted 8 kVA UPS. The debriefing room for mission evaluation, objective compliance, and evaluation is located inside an air-conditioned 5-square-meter inflatable modular tent made up of military-grade high-resistance materials. State-of-the-art computers allow each staff member to perform the actions related to their functions. A military-grade radio system with a push-to-talk function allows communications to all members of the simulation, and at the same time, it has the capability to record and store each exercise on a hard disk. The system not only records conversations, but it also records operations for training feedback and improvement. The simulator can display any type of environmental condition with great realism, including satellite textures, photographic textures, and 3D models. This pertains to both static and moving objects. The instrumentation for the artillery unit consists of wireless sensors for each artillery piece, allowing the software to detect opening, closing, firing, loading, and unloading of ammunition operations. The system is activated through a wireless trigger switch replica. All sensors, including azimuth and elevation, send wireless signals to a rugged laptop located in the back of each artillery piece. There is a virtual positioning device of each artillery piece that sends GPS coordinates to the simulation environment. The simulation system also contains replicas of HE, smoke, lighting, and white phosphorus munitions. The sensor system is able to detect the type of equipment being triggered and identifies ammunition and the amount of propellant. The artillery piece sensors are powered by 2 kVA generators, or they are connected via extension cables running from the container plugs. A sound system imitates the explosion of the shots in each piece of artillery. The forward observer room features a high-definition panoramic projector with a 180-degree angle of horizontal view. This allows the forward observer to view the simulations of the scene on a curved screen. The atmosphere in this room simulates a trench that contains plants, camouflage mesh, sandbags, and more. Digital military-grade Leica vector binoculars display a representation of the screen, allowing the forward observer to see, with a zoomed effect, details of the panorama shown on the big screen. The operation of the Leica vector is independent of the projected visualization on the screen. Moving the view in the Leica vector does not change the view of the projection in the panoramic screen. The simulator creates a positional 3D ambience, equipped with explosion sounds with delayed burst effects through a surround sound system located in front of the projection screen. The forward observer room contains a portable tablet that emulates a Garmin GPS with simulated north and characteristics of a real compass. The room also features a gamepad command that allows panning the panoramic image on the screen. Some functions the instructor can perform through the software are: configure artillery, modify shot behavior, analyze and modify terrain, configure obstacles with 3D models like mountains, rivers, trees, and rocks, Configure objects by loading 3D models on standard formats, like vehicles or buildings. Configure atmospheric conditions, such as rain, wind, fog, and temperature. Configure graphic representations of different environments, like jungle, desert, mountain, and rural. Configure the environment based on the time of day, such as daytime or nighttime. In addition to our after-sales technical support services, Force Improvement Simulation offers certified courses for instructors, operating positions, and maintenance.